It's definitely a tough time. If you look at the year, it was a year that was really split into two halves. And for us, it was funny. In the first half of the year, we were a bottom performer. And everybody was asking us, what's wrong with ARC? And we said, nothing's wrong with ARC. It's just we have low debt. And when commodity prices are high in the vernacular of the market, it was a risk on trade. Everybody wanted the highly levered companies, and that was not us. The last half of the year, commodity prices falling, and the oil fell in half basically over the last half of the year. All of a sudden, it's the risk off trade, and we end up being a top performer. But what's really important is that throughout that, we're out on the road explaining our strategy to the market, explaining we are a company that honors our low debt mantra, and we continue to honor our low debt mantra. But you've got to keep going out, you've got to be on the road and talking to those investors. We've really made an effort now. We've got 3 new Cs, if you will. Our entire C-suite are new within the last 2 years. Our CEO has been in for 2 years now, Chief Operating Officer in about 13 months, and our Chief Financial Officer in just under 12 months. So all 3 of our C-suite are brand new to the street. So we've been mixing it up, we've been taking them out, and getting the street to know them. The interesting thing is all 3 of those gentlemen are long-standing ARC employees. They've all been part of the team for 15, 16 years, so they're not new to the company, which I think has really helped because their depth of knowledge in the company really shines through, and I think it gives the market a lot of confidence and faith in assuming that you're going to see continuity in ARC because the team has continuity and is building from within. In this area, if you stand still, you're falling behind. There's so much good IR that's being done by our peers in other sectors. We're always looking for new ideas. We've got a virtual field tour on our website that needs to be updated, so we'll continue to look for ways to bring what we do in the field to our investors. So whether it's video, whether it's photos, we've got a photo blog of a main project we've got underway. This year is still a very, very challenging year from a commodity price perspective. So again, it's going to be, I think, a lot of hand-holding, a lot of spending time with the investors. As I tell them when we walk in, it's not so much that we're trying to get you to buy our stock today, but we really want you to know who we are, know how we behave, know what our values are, and if that fits your portfolio, excellent. And so it's really about making certain people knows who we are and how we're going to behave and getting out there telling the story.